Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. Of course, today's look will be this. Yeah, we're rocking with our big hair today. This hair is actually from Better Length. And I will also, aside from the tutorial, I will also be giving my final review, my final thoughts on this Better Length hair. So continue watching. So at the moment, I am detangling my hair. I have to make this side look like this. Very simple, sleek, braided ponytail, okay? And now we're gonna start with the exciting part. So I'm going to grab my Better Length clip-ins. In case you guys don't know, these are 18-inch Afro Kinky curly clip-ins from Better Length Hair. Definitely check them out. I will also be giving you guys my thoughts, my final thoughts on the Better Length clip-ins since I've had them for about a month now. So stay tuned for that at the end of the video. So we're going to start by adding our first clip into that braid. And we're just going to wrap it around, continue to wrap it around, and just clip. Whoops. And continue to move up the braid. And just clip. It's also important to me that I start my clips in the same location because I don't want one side hanging a lot longer than the other. So they're not exactly even in regards to where I am here and here, but they are even in length, so we're good. Okay, the one that I used on this side had 4 clips. I think that's what made the difference. I didn't pay attention. This one had 5, so therefore this time I will add the clip in with 5 clips to this side, and I'll add 4 to the top of the next one. We'll just continue to do the same exact thing that we did previously. see. Okay, the ends look good. And I did detangle the hair prior to styling. I forgot to tell you guys that part, sorry. So now I'm going to take both of my clip-ins that have 3 clips, and I'm going to surround that ponytail there. So I put my first clip there. And I took my next clip on around so it's right there. So it makes your ponytails look fuller like this. It actually makes it look like you have, you know, ponytails. So now we're going to repeat the same exact steps. Did I say it makes it look like you have ponytails? Shh, we're gonna act like I didn't say that, okay? And I'm going to repeat those same exact steps on this side. Take the last clip down and bring it on up. And clip. Oh shoot. Gotta be careful. I ripped that one out. Okay, I have 4 clips left. And with these 4 clips, I think I have 2 that are this size and 2 that are longer. So I'm going to take the shorter clip-ins, and when I say shorter, I mean the width of the weft. I'm going to take these and lay them in the center. The only thing about it is I don't want to go too low. So I don't want to have hair hanging extremely long, like past the other hair, but it should be okay. I'm going to take the next one, and we're just adding these to the middle. They don't have to be perfect. There's nothing perfect about the style. We just want to make sure that they're secure for one, because sometimes these things be acting up. And we're going to continue to work our way up, because we have 2 more clips. And last one. Okay. So now we're completely done. And we just need the hair to dry in order for us to accomplish that big look that we love. It's not really that wet though. Might be able to. Let's see. And of course it doesn't have the fullness that it normally has, because it's freshly detangled. So the next steps in this style are to get your bobby pins together, because you need the good bobby pins. So what we will do at this point, we will begin to pull up sections of the hair like this to cover up all the areas, like all of that pretty much. This whole entire area here. So we're grabbing our pins and we're individually bobby pinning sections of hair. And the way that I bobby pin mine Normally the pin wouldn't show, of course, but it won't show once the hair dries. I like to grab the bobby pins that are like this, if you can see that. So that it's like it really wraps itself around the hair. And I just put it in and push it down, like in the downward direction. So you see that? I've been able to cover all of those clip-ins so far. That's how you want it to look. And we just continue as we go along. Just do the same exact thing. Once we get to the middle. You can do big or small sections. It's all up to you. Whatever you prefer. It's really hard to show you guys exactly how I'm doing it. And if you would like, you can just do a regular ponytail and, you know, do this style. You don't have to have the whole part down the middle. I like that mine looks like I have two ponytails. It kind of gives off the illusion of two ponytails, but then one puff as well. Or two ponytails within one puff. Yeah. Now we're over here on this side. Just continue. And just make sure you pull in enough hair up and that you're not pinning thin sections. You know, like really thin sections. That might be noticeable. This stuff is looking crazy. Okay, let's see. There we go, baby. We're all done. And it looks like this. And ladies, this is our style complete. Don't you love it? Don't you just love it? So yeah, on to my final review of my better length 18-inch African. So guys, before I wrap up this video, I have to give my final review on my better length extensions. I'll start by saying these are 18-inch Afro Kinky curly clip-ins from Better Length. I absolutely love the company, first and foremost. I like to say that. I like the fact they're so active on social media, Instagram. You know, we've communicated back and forth on Instagram, and they're so cool. I like the fact they actually do what they say they're going to do, and they do post you and promote your page. And I like the fact that, you know, going on their Instagram page, you're able to see multiple women, you know, different textures, different styles, you know. It just gives you ideas, keeps you motivated, you know, when you're looking for different things to do with clip-ins. Because I honestly had never really looked into clip-ins prior to receiving these. It wasn't really something high up on my list. So yeah, that definitely helped out as well. And as far as the hair is concerned, okay, let's get into it. Now, when I first got the clip-ins, I co-washed them, and that's the way that I detangled. And I remember I had very little hair come out during that time. So what I've noticed over time wearing the hair, each and every time that I wear this hair, I have to detangle. So some would be okay with that because they actually have to detangle the hair, which I do too in most cases. You have to detangle your real hair every single time that you style it. However, when I'm styling with you know, extensions, my weave. I really would prefer if I didn't have to do it every single time, and I just find that the hair is really high maintenance, but if that's something that you're used to, then it shouldn't be a problem. Aside from that, the curls most definitely do still pop, you know, and it'll always look this way. I just see a difference between, and I finger detangle just so I can show you guys. It's totally different when you co-wash and when you finger detangle, you know. I definitely wouldn't make finger detangling a habit because you would pretty much be ruining your clip-ins. So it is a must that you know, have a detangler, a good detangler, something with slip in order to help you to detangle your strands, because they are high maintenance and detangling is needed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Aside from that, would I recommend them? Most definitely. I think this hair is very close to the natural texture of our natural hair. For future, you know, if you have hair my texture, go with the 3B. Don't go with the 3C. I thought for sure that 3C would be my texture, but you know, as I was thinking, you know, and looking through different people who had gotten the clip-ins, I kind of wish I had gotten a different texture, or that, you know, I would have been able to mix them, you know. Maybe I could, you know, order another pack from them at some point and mix these with, you know, the 3B, so that I could get a look that, you know, I think really fits my hair, because my sister said this was her hair texture and not mine. But yeah, aside from that, I absolutely love the hair. I think it's definitely worth the money, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, give me a big old thumbs up. Bye!